Yes, seen him.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. We're out here on the Nueces River once again. I'm accompanied by a couple guys here. Hopefully we get on some reds, some tridents, some flounder. For me, it's gonna be catch and release. Maybe I'll keep a couple flounder, but reds will definitely get released. So we're working down Nueces River towards the mouth. Kind of a new area for me. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and let's get on them. All right, guys. So we're just gonna blind cast, target our little spots, and fish on. Lady fish. Woo, got one. Oh. Flounder. Yeah, with a flounder. Oh man. Another one. Speckle, little trout, little stinker dinker. Ooh, right in the eye. Yeah, little stinker dinker. Oop. Yes, man. Guess they're way back here. Oh, this looks like a little rat. There we go. There we go. Come back over here, buddy. Yes. Yes, got one. Right in the corner. Right in the very back. Yes. Oh, no noise. Don't be making extra noise. Don't be making extra noise. Alright, let's take a quick picture. Bounce off lure. Let's see what you weigh, measure. Let's see, buddy. Oh. 19. Little rat. Adios. All right. Let's get us another one. I got to do some little topwater. I can't tell if this is trout or not. I see there's some trout here. There is trout here. There's a redfish. A redfish on topwater, fellas. Woohoo!
Oh no, he freaking let go. Golly. Oh well. I doubt he's gonna hit it again. Man, that was a good hit. So I'm using this Super Spook Junior bone color. See if we get any topwater action here. Good movement back here. I just gotta focus on casting right at the grass line. Yes. Ha ha ha. There we go. Here's another little one. And in the boat. Oh, not in there. Oh, not in here. Yes. Whoo, man, so pretty. All right, you are 19 and a half. Man, he was sitting right there in the corner. Let's get him back in the water.
9:59 a.m.
All right, let's get him back in the water because there's another one there. So the main river didn't produce anything, guys. I'm back here in the back. You go around the mouth, and then there's a couple little channels, and it kind of brings you back in here. But I'm gonna try and cheat and jump across since the water's still high. There was a little spot that I had seen earlier where I can jump across. Yes, seen him. Yes, I've seen him cruising back. Seen you cruising and you took it. You took the bait. Whew. See how big you are. Probably 18 and a half. Whew. All right, there you go. See ya. Ah, so cool, man. I see. Whoa. Seen him coming, and I chunked at it, and he could not resist. Yes. All right, guys. I'm gonna take this opportunity and give a big shout out to Jacob Ramos, man. He donated 20 bucks, and Jose Hernandez, he donated 25 bucks to the channel. Really appreciate it, guys. Hell yeah, man. That'll definitely put some fuel in my truck to get me out here and make some videos. Appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate it. dog sunk right here. They're way back in here.
Ricky,
Yeah.
hey, what's going on, man? Dwayne had a meal.
Oh, Dwayne.
Yeah.
What's up, brother?
Not much, man. How we doing?
Well, I caught 3 rats, man, but they're
Way back in there.
they're back in there, man.
Yeah, that's where I was heading. I come from the parking area back there.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. I went to Ricky.
All right, Dwayne, man. Good luck, man. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I love running into guys that also watch my stuff, man. It's so inspiring. All right, guys. So this is gonna finish up this video. Quick summary: ended up going to the mouth of Nueces, and ended up back there. Not the back bay, but I don't know what you would call it. It was a beautiful day. Man, but this water's way too high. I think all the fish are scattered around in the back. I think I still made enough for the videos. Once again, special shout out to Jose and Jacob for helping this channel out. You guys, we need to link up and come out fishing. Remember, guys, look at into my description. I've got the links for my Cash App, PayPal, Patreon, if you guys want to help me out. All I'm doing is coming out here showing you guys my techniques, where I go, what I use. If you guys find this video or any of my videos helpful, man, just share them. Please share them. I'm trying to grow this channel. Share my videos with your friends. All right, guys, so that's it, man. Thank you so much for joining, and till next time, tight lines.